Hi everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars. Today we're diving into something truly special. The return of an icon. Mercedes-AMG is bringing back the legendary SLR in 2026, and it's set to redefine the world of grand tours with a perfect blend of power, luxury and cutting-edge technology. The new SLR is shaping up to be one of the most exciting cars of the decade, so let's take a deep dive into what makes this car so special. The original Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren was a beast, of fusion of Formula One-inspired technology and grand touring elegance. It was an instant classic with its long hood, rolling doors and monstrous supercharged V8. Fast forward to 2026 and Mercedes-AMG is taking the SLR name to a whole new level. This time it's built entirely by AMG without McLaren, and it's going to be an engineering masterpiece under the hood. The 2026 SLR is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain combining a high-performance twin-turbocharged V8 with advanced electric motors. The result, a jaw-dropping 800 to 900 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful GT cars ever produced. This hybrid system not only boosts performance but also improves efficiency, allowing for an electric-only mode for city driving. But make no mistake, this car is built for speed, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 2.5 seconds and a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. The new SLR is a true hyper GT. Mercedes-AMG has gone all out with the design. The 2026 SLR pays homage to the original with a long sculpted hood, aggressive aerodynamics and sleek LED lighting. The signature going doors make a return, adding to the drama every time you step in or out of the car. The front grille takes inspiration from the Mercedes-AMG One Hypercar, while the rear features an active aero system, including a deployable wing that adjusts for maximum downforce at high speeds. Inside, the SLR is a perfect blend of luxury and technology. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, carbon fiber and aluminum accents, giving it a futuristic yet classic feel. The digital cockpit is fully customizable with a high-resolution OLED display providing all the driving data you need. Mercedes' latest MBUX system powers the infotainment, offering seamless connectivity, voice commands and AI-driven assistance. Every detail is designed for the driver, from the ergonomic sports seats to the intuitive steering wheel controls. Performance-wise, the new SLR isn't just about raw power, it's about precision. The advanced all-wheel drive system, rear-wheel steering and adaptive suspension ensure that this car handles like a dream, whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway. The SLR delivers a driving experience like no other, and thanks to its hybrid setup, it offers instant torque, making acceleration feel effortless. Of course, exclusivity is a big part of the SLR's appeal. Mercedes-AMG is expected to produce it in limited numbers with a price tag well above the $500,000 mark. It's a car for collectors, enthusiasts and those who appreciate the perfect blend of speed, luxury and innovation. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG SLR isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a tribute to Mercedes' rich racing heritage and a vision of the future of performance with cutting-edge technology, breathtaking design and mind-blowing power. As of now, Mercedes-AMG has not officially released detailed information or images regarding the rear design of the 2026 Mercedes-AMG SLR. However, based on previous models and industry trends, we can anticipate the following features. The rear is likely to incorporate active aerodynamic elements, such as an adjustable rear spoiler, to enhance downforce and stability at high speeds. A rear diffuser is expected to be present, aiding in the management of airflow and contributing to the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency. Modern LED taillights are anticipated, providing both functional illumination and a contemporary aesthetic. The design may feature dual exhaust outlets, emphasizing the vehicle's performance capabilities. Please note that these details are speculative and based on design trends observed in previous Mercedes-AMG models. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it is recommended to monitor official announcements from Mercedes-AMG and reputable automotive news sources. The new SLR is set to become a legend in its own light. That's it for today's episode. Let me know in the comments what you think about the return of the SLR. Is it the perfect grand tour, or would you prefer a different direction? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Dream Cars. See you next time.